one of the things that came up is that there's some other apps out there on the market that might track certain things, but there's not one that necessarily tracks all of them. And granted, we're working with women for as long as we have. I mean, they got HRT, they got, supplementation, they got exercise, they got nutrition, they got all these different things. Their symptom profile, there's a lot of things that they want to keep track of that would be relevant to how they feel hormonally.
And it doesn't just track. So that's the cool part is it doesn't just track, it actually gives personalized guidance to you. So of course, supposed to be for educational purposes, but it does have a lot of guidance in there that's actually 100% personalized to you. So we created an AI coaching app for women in perimenopause and menopause. Hi, I'm Dr. Valerie.
And I'm Dr. Mackey from the Progression Health Podcast. This is the last day of the launch. This should be published on Friday, May 8th, 2026. So if you're seeing this after the fact, it's not really relevant. Maybe you've already came across the app already out there on the interwebs. But this is kind of a amazing little piece of technology that we're really excited about.
Exactly. So when we put this together, I wanted it to be more than just a tracking app, but I did make it to where you can track anything and everything you could possibly want to in one app. But the beginning part, so maybe we should talk about the onboarding or maybe go through some steps.
Yeah. So, we had asked some other questions of our patients in our email list, and they gave us some feedback about another AI project that we were presented with and got some really good information. But one of the things that came up is that there's some other apps out there on the market that might track certain things, but there's not one that necessarily tracks all of them. And granted, we're working with women for as long as we have. I mean, they got HRT, they got, supplementation, they got exercise, they got nutrition, they got all these different things. Their symptom profile, there's a lot of things that they want to keep track of that would be relevant to how they feel hormonally.
And it doesn't just track. So that's the cool part is it doesn't just track, it actually gives personalized guidance to you. So of course, supposed to be for educational purposes, but it does have a lot of guidance in there that's actually 100% personalized to you. So where you might have some questions about the HRT dosing that you're on, because it's built in our clinical framework that you might ask, okay, this is my dose for this. What does this mean? I'm having some symptoms. You can get some guidance on that just based on our 20 plus years of experience of working with women in perimenopause and menopause.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, that's why we started this podcast a number of years ago in the first place, because we know that getting answers to those hormonal questions is really difficult. That's why this app is so exciting, because it's like having you right in their pocket. They can just ask questions and get some reasonable feedback about what they're experiencing and potentially, what they can modify or adjust as they're moving forward.
Yeah, so it starts with an onboarding quiz. So it gives you a quiz on what your goals are, what are you looking for. It asks a lot of, pretty good. It doesn't take too long. It takes about 2 to 4 minutes to complete, but it'll ask about you, and then it'll tell you whether, what phase you're in, whether you're in, where you are in perimenopause. Are you what I call the in-betweener, or if you're in menopause. So it has that, and then it puts in what your goals are. And then like maybe your goals are to lose weight, or maybe you want to work on your libido or your bone density. You can put that in there, but throughout the entire time, it will track everything and show you some patterns. It can track everything from sleep, how many, you can put in how much I urinated last night, how many times did I wake up last night, what's going on with my hair shedding, my hot flashes, night sweats, bowel movements, vaginal issues. So it has a whole comprehensive tracking on there, as well as your macros, your nutrition, your exercise. And I made it in a way that you could add in your own tracking. Like for example, if somebody wanted to check they're checking their glucose, their morning fasting glucose every morning with their glucometer, you can write in there, because there's a little, there's lots of input like text boxes. So you can have that conversation with your coach, which is me, is you can put on there, hey, I want to track my fasting glucose every morning. It'll say, okay, we'll put that in there, and it puts it into your daily tracking. So you can put that in so it can follow those patterns. And then if you have the food input on there, then it'll put, between that glucose and the food. So I have pretty much everything I could think about that people, and you too, that, women want to track. But if there's something that's not on there, you can add it.
Well, really, we've sort of taken that, like you said, that framework that we've done with our patients over the years. And these are, when you're dealing in a clinical situation, these are the things that you're taking into consideration. I think it's just a wonderful way to see those patterns, have maybe an explanation as to what's going on physiologically. So there's a little bit of education piece that comes out of that. And once we understand, we're really, as human beings, we have a little bit of a hard time seeing our own patterns, right? But now if we have this, a coaching app that can help pull those patterns out, and have some explanation as to why they're happening. Now, you can modify lifestyle, you can modify diet, you can modify supplementation, you can modify all those things, and it can turn into a better outcome on the other end.
And like I said, it's not just tracking, but it can actually work for what your goals are. So you might want some guidance with your HRT dosing, with your supplementation dosing, even lab reports. You can put in your lab reports so that we can, so it can kind of spit back from our clinical framework, what your labs are saying, what they're saying over time, how you might adjust different, aspects of your lifestyle or HRT based on those labs. So we wanted to kind of put in, the depth and breadth of what we give our patients in our clinic, the same thing that they could get possibly on that AI. And now the most important part is it's completely private. So it's just private between you and, just you and you. Even I don't get to see the information that you're putting in there, but it's completely encrypted. And of course your data is never shared.
Yeah. And that was when we reached out to our patients in our email list earlier, we were asking some of those questions, and it did come up a lot that people are very, rightly so. And I know we've said that a few different times, that people are a little concerned about their privacy. And, I think that there's a good reason to be a little skeptical about that. But like I said, it is secured. It is an end user sort of a situation that the information that you input is not shared with anybody. Like you said, we don't really have access to any of it at all. It's just between you and the AI coach. So it's just amazing time that we live in right now. AI is sort of just a brand new kind of infancy stage, and it's amazing in just a couple of years of how much it has progressed. Some say good, some say maybe a little scary, from an AI perspective. But nonetheless, healthcare and AI are going to be intertwined very quickly, and this is our first attempt to see what happens.
Nope, I think it's amazing. Like I said, today's the last day of the launch for the 20% off. We just wanted to do a quick, podcast, just doing our spiel here for the last day of our launch.
Yeah. So if you have any curiosity and you'd like to check it out, just go to hormonenavigator.com. It'll have a little bit more information there, and you can sign up if you like. So any last words to say about
I could go on for days. I really, truly could, but we'll cut it off.
Yeah. Until next time, I'm Dr. Mackey.
I'm Dr. Valerie.
Take care. Bye-bye.